This is like the real reality show.
Finally, I try to make up with Allie, and together we lie down to read. It's way too sweltering to shut the window, and the wind howls down the alley, billowing our curtain, and I get the distinct feeling of being watched. I freeze and hold my head still, my eyes on the page. In fact, I let them shut as though I'm dozing, so only Allie confronts the peeping Tom. Slowly, her eyes first, then her head turning, to look him full in the face. Sure enough, I hear a gasp and footsteps running, fading in the distance.
Many poets can go right to your heart and just kind of like forget about connection, ordinary connections, because that's what poetry is about. Forgetting those in a way, and letting your heart feel it. To read is, and now we're taking it to another level. So listen, open your ears.
Retired and wired. Since retiring from my job, I've joined the counterculture mob. Looking bad, doing the thing, chilling at the Burger King. One of them bad news macho men, staying out till 10:30. Got my downers, got my uppers. Put them in for potluck suppers. I get a mohawk dyed blue if I had some hair to do it to. Can't wear an earring, I'm afraid it'll interfere with my hearing aid. Got a razor blade on a chain, comes in handy when you do a line. Can't score coke, but I don't complain. Line of root beer, just fine. All I wear is leather jeans, snug around the important scenes. Nuisance getting them off and on after bolting to the John. No reason I can't get tattooed if I find a message really rude. How's this to make your face turn red? Fudge you, fix you, poopy head. Motorcycles been in my mind, but they don't sell the freewheel kind. So I'm still gunning my Pontiac. Race it to the health food store and back.
This is like, really quality stuff happening here, so guaranteed to make your teeth drop. I think she's gonna have her, yes, she's gonna have her alter ego here. I mean, Allie's gonna be here. Allie, my secret date, and a really good listener.
Whoever would choose McDonald's for a child's birthday party with the theme kindness to animals? Well, one young mother did, and she hired me and my ventriloquist dummy Allie to do the puppet show. So here we are pushing vegetarianism to a bunch of kids eating Big Macs. And as it happens to be Valentine's Day, and the mother wished for a Valentine's Day feel for the affair, we're in this ridiculous getup, bright red with heart spangles and ivy cupid crowns. I can't wait to go home and change. Come on, little cow. I like you, but it's time for McDonald's to cut off your head and chop you up into hamburgers. No! Think about it, boys and girls. Do you really want to be eating a nice little cow?
People that come in because they're moved and because their lives are changed and they have something that they need to express in some way that they have no other way of expressing. And poetry can help that. And music is definitely part of poetry. And I have so much stuff. I'm back at... Okay, here we are. Focus.
Under the light breeze, there's such a hungry yearning burning inside me, and its torment won't be through till you let me send my life making love to you night and day. Take it up, night and day, under the light breeze. There's such a hungry yearning burning inside of me, and its torment won't be through till you let me give my life making love to you day and night.
His hands were severed and nailed to a post. Pipe dreaming, gallows tall, hung with a sigh, uncaptured and gleaming, victor hurrah, wrists raised high, feeling his pulse praise the sky, in the red shadows of the Colosseum, hushed with hurrah. Oh poets, poets are we all who sing while we die.